So students, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I am going to do the sum. Okay, illustration number 4a. Okay, which carries 10 marks. Okay, so here you see the following ledger balances have been extracted from books of RKB Limited on 31st 3 2024. Okay, so equity share capital amount is given: bank loan, debenture, securities premium, debtors, loose stores, livestock, land and building, cash in hand, furniture, bills receivable, sundry creditors, bills payable, general reserve, surplus in the statement of PL account. Okay, on 31st 3 24. Then investment, cash at bank, stock in trade and machinery. You have been asked to prepare the balance sheet as per the Companies Act 2013. And we know in Companies Act 2013, balance sheet is prepared in vertical format. Okay. So just you see, I have solved this sum. Okay. This is the sum. RKB Limited balance sheet on 31st 3 2024. So the first heading is equity and liabilities. Shareholders fund is given, that is share capital 12 lakh, and reserve and surplus heading. Okay, you have to follow note number 1. You see here in note number 1, okay, the calculation of reserve and surplus is done. Securities premium is written, general reserve is written, surplus in the statement of profit and loss on 31st 3 24 is written. The amount is 4,90,000. Okay, this amount is to be written under the head reserve and surplus, 4,90,000. Then you see money received against share warrants, there is no amount. Share application money pending allotment, there is no amount. There is long term borrowings. Okay, long term borrowings means there is bank loan. Deferred tax liabilities, no amount. Other long term liabilities, it is issue of debenture which is of amount rupees 5 lakh. There is no long term provision. Now come to current liabilities, short term borrowings, okay, that is nil. In trade payables, you follow note number 2. Okay, you see here trade payables, there will be sundry creditors and bills payable. It's 2,20,000. Okay, so trade payables is 2,20,000. Now come to the asset side. Okay, you have to total the liabilities side, so it is 25,50,000. Now come to asset side. Okay, the non-current assets, that is fixed assets. Okay, tangible assets. Refer to company note number 3. You see here calculation for fixed assets is given: livestock, land and building, then furniture and machinery. Okay, it is 17,30,000. So you have to put the amount. Okay, tangible assets. Now come to non-current investment, which is of amount 40,000. You see the question. Now you see here, okay, there is inventories which is stock in trade of value 3,20,000. Then there is trade receivables which includes sundry debtors and bills receivable. So refer to company note number 4. See here sundry debtors and bills receivable, it is 3,30,000. So you have written trade receivables 3,30,000. Now come to cash and cash equivalents, okay, which is cash in hand and cash at bank. Okay, refer to note number 5. You see here cash and cash equivalents, it is cash in hand 10,000, cash at bank 90,000, which is equivalent to 1 lakh. Okay, so see here cash and cash equivalents is 1 lakh. Other short-term loans and advances are not there, so put it blank. Other current assets, okay, there is loose tools. Okay, there is loose tools given in the question, so you have to put the amount. By totaling the assets side, you will get 25 lakh 50,000. Both assets and liabilities side is same, so the balance sheet is correct. Hope you have understood my explanation and the sum is clear to you. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, and if you have any doubts, mention in the comment section. Thank you for today.